Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the Windows 11 Insider Preview build 26120.3380 which has just been released to both the dev and beta channels. This build is packed with new features, improvements, fixes and some important reminders for insiders. Whether you are in the dev channel, beta channel or just curious about what's coming to the Windows 11, this video has you covered. So let's get started. First up, Microsoft is reminding insiders in the dev channel that they have a limited window to switch to the beta channel. Why? Because both channels are currently receiving the same 24H2 based update build number 26120.3380. However, once the dev channel moves ahead with higher build numbers, that window will close. If you are thinking about switching, now it's the time. But keep in mind, switching the channels might result in the temporary loss of some features. Also, this build is optional for beta channel users right now, but it will become recommended later this year, meaning you will be automatically upgraded to 24H2 based updates. Now let's talk about the new features rolling out in this build. There is a lot to cover, so let's break it down. One of the standout feature is recommended files in the File Explorer home. If you are signed in with a personal Microsoft account, you will now see a carousel of recommended files based on your activity. This includes files you frequently use, recently downloaded or added to your File Explorer gallery. For those with work or school accounts, there are even more types of recommendations. However, this feature isn't rolling out in the European Economic Area just yet. Quick access folders will still be available in the navigation pane for easy access to pinned folders. Next up, live caption is getting a boost with real-time translation to Chinese on AMD and Intel powered Copilot Plus PCs. This feature supports a wide range of languages including Arabic, German, Spanish, Japanese and more. It's a great addition for anyone who relies on live captions for accessibility or multilingual support. Microsoft is also testing a new feature in the start menu that recommends a snap group based on two apps you are mostly likely to snap together. For example, if you frequently snap Microsoft Edge and Word together, Windows will suggest that combo in the recommended section. It's a small but handy productivity tool. For users in the European Economic Area, there is improved support for web search providers in Windows Search. This update increases discoverability and makes it easier to switch between search providers. Microsoft is introducing also a new toast notification to help you secure your Microsoft account. If you are signed in with a Microsoft account and missing a secondary email or recovery phone number, you will now get a prompt to add one. This is a great way to ensure you can recover your account even if you forget or get locked out. Another fun addition is a new system tray icon for the emoji and more panel. This makes it easier to access emojis, GIFs and Kamoji across all apps and surfaces. You can also customize this icon by right clicking on it and going to the taskbar settings. Finally, there is a new feature in the settings system about section called top cards. These cards provide a quick snapshot of your PC keys, specifications like processor, RAM storage and GPU. It's a handy way to understand your PC's capabilities at a glance, though it's not yet available on managed commercial PCs. Now let's talk about the fixes in this build. Microsoft has addressed several issues including File Explorer like improved text scaling support in file open or save dialogues and wizard dialogues, fixed an issue where the snap bar showed unexpected corners called windowing, resolved a high impact ctfmon.exe crash that affected typing, fixed crashes related to adding color profiles, signing into an MSA and displaying Japanese names correctly, fixed a bug check issue pdc_watchdog_timeout when resuming from sleep, and resolved crashes related to windows.storage.dll. Of course, there are some known issues that need to be aware of. After a PC reset, your build version might incorrectly shows a build 26100 instead of 26120. Snapshots may get deleted on PCs managed by IT administrator. A temporary workaround is provided in the release notes. Some insiders may experience slow closing times when using the X button, and the new CPU utility column may show system idle process as 0 and CPU graph still shows used calculations. So if you are in the beta channel, here are some key reminders. You will receive updates based on Windows 11 version 24H2 via an enablement package build 26120. Many features are rolled out gradually using control feature rollout technology, so not everyone will see them right away. Some features may never be released beyond Windows insiders as Microsoft is testing different concepts and gathering feedback. So what do you think about this latest build? Are you excited about the new features? Are you holding off until they are more stable? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.